We're going to be learning about digital design and how to sketch an object, potentially extrude it, and turn it into a real thing that we're going to cut on the CNC router. Why learn digital design? Well, it saves a lot of time and money in terms of you're able to make things and have them fit together and test to see if they fit. It is also much cheaper to delete a file than it is to redo a prototype. With the system that we're going to be learning on is Onshape, and Onshape is a web-based program. Recently, they've come out with a certification program for it. It can grow with you up to a very, very high level. What we're going to do today is just look at two different things. All right, so we want the front plane, and we're going to sketch. And so we're just gonna choose a, let's say, center point rectangle. We're just gonna do some very rudimentary things here. And then we're gonna use dimensions so that our object is correct. So, all right, so we have this object and we can actually extrude it now. So let's close out our sketch process. And then extrude, let's see, and we'll do a 1-inch extrude. So it extruded 1 inch this way, but you can also pull the arrow and go the other way, and it would do now 1.63, but I can change the dimension to, let's say, 2 inches this way, and it'll just do that. Or I can pull it this way and make it, 2 inches this way if I want to. So once I did that, I have this object, and so let's just go ahead and move it back and take a look at it. So we have this rectangle, and I want to add a feature to it. So I hit sketch, and then I click on this plane here, and now I'm actually drawing on this face here. So what we're gonna do is, let's see, we'll do a center point rectangle. And then we'll set our dimension size. We'll make that 0.75. All right, so now that we finished with that part, let's take a look, and we'll go ahead and extrude and let's see. So let's extrude that, let's say 1. And so let's take a look at what we've created. Could be the beginning of a Lego block, who knows? But the point is that we are learning how to make things digitally, and we can actually export this if we wanted to right now, and export it as an STL, which would turn it into it's a fully rendered 3D object. And so we can take this to the 3D printer and print this if we needed to. Now, obviously, this is a very rudimentary shape, but it's something that the kids will be able to learn and grow with. And this will give them a foundation if they're looking to go into an engineering career to have this. And the main thing about learning one CAD program well is that it gives you the ability to essentially master another CAD program in a very relatively short amount of time, because the menus are different and things are maybe called certain things differently, but a circle is a circle and a square is a square. So once you learn Onshape, you can jump to SolidWorks, you can jump to Fusion 360, Inventor, RhinoCAD, and even EagleCAD, which is a PCB layout type software. But anyways, the main thing is that this gives them a leg up on learning how to become better at design, and this will keep their creative juices flowing through the summer, and hopefully that they'll learn something good.